Man, I don't know if I have a steady hand enough for this. Just make sure it actually looks like tie-dye. I'm scared. Okay, I can't talk, so I'm sorry. I can't read that. Plush matte lipstick. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review approved or booed situation on the new ABH Norvina cake liners, the electric cake liners. Couldn't remember the name. I got both trios and I'm so excited to be able to tell you guys my thoughts and create this look for you guys. Before I get into this video though, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I upload on YouTube every other day. I would also love for you to go to my Instagram, check it out, and possibly follow me there because I post every single day lots of creative looks like this. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on these liners, then just keep on watching. All right, so my lids are primed, my eyebrows are done and ready to go, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did use the white eyeliner yesterday for a look that I was doing, but I'm gonna still test it out because it really didn't give me like a good idea. I really do love the packaging. So each of these is $30 and you get 3. The fact that these are stacks are super cute. I'm like so intrigued by this. I'm gonna use all 6 colors for sure, but I have an idea of what I want to do, and I'm gonna do both of my eyes completely different from one another. So I definitely want to do a tie-dye looking eye because I'm doing a tie-dye series over on my Instagram. It hasn't gone as planned, to be honest, but I think I'm just like not using the right materials to create the tie-dye effect on my eyeball. So I'm gonna see if these help a little bit more. But on the other side, I'm just gonna do a graphic liner situation because I literally cannot like sit there and do tie-dye on both eyes. It's gonna take me way too long. So do you want to swatch them all? These are water activated. I don't know what happened the day of the launch, by the way, because I'm pretty sure I was only able to get one and not the other for a long time. So one got here before the other. I don't know why. Oh, they each come with a little plastic thing, but this is the hot pink. To be honest, the Suba Beauty one is a different tone of pink, I'm pretty sure. And the yellow is probably different, and I don't have the green, so this is my first green neon liner. I really do like that they just expand like that. Like, it's super aesthetically pleasing, I guess. I definitely needed something like this in my collection. Like, I do have the Suba Beauty ones, but I don't know, I just feel like having more neon liners is like a requirement. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water. This is probably not the best way to do this, but we're gonna do it anyway because I'm too lazy to go get a smaller container. And what you're supposed to do is really mix that in there and wait until you get the consistency that you want. I guess the more watery, the less pigmented, obviously, but you want like a smooth consistency within the liner itself. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, that is super bright. Hopefully they don't crack, because that is the issue with bright liners. That's the issue with any liners, to be honest. And like white liners are notorious for cracking. Imagine UV neon. Like, I wish I had a black light so I could see how it looks. Love it. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna move on to the yellow now. Hopefully the yellow is better than other yellows that I've tried, because they look like, it looks like sometimes you're literally putting on a highlighter on your face. I think this is gonna be a better yellow than I've seen. It's definitely hard to make a very opaque yellow, obviously, because like it's yellow and it's a highlighter yellow. It's hard to make it not look like you're just putting on a highlighter. Let's see what it looks like when it dries. I might have to go in with another layer to just make sure it's opaque. Again, very difficult to see if it's gonna be opaque enough and not just look like a highlighter. I'm living for these colors. They are total summer colors, right people? So pretty. All right, I'm gonna move on to these now. Orange is like one of my favorite colors, so it better not disappoint. I love the orange. Look at how pretty it is. Look at how pretty it's swatching. White is super basic, but I still wanna see how it swatches to see if it cracks in the swatch. So that's what it looks like. It's definitely hard to formulate a white liner that does not crack. I have yet to find one. Have you guys found one? Okay, so this is all of them swatched. I'm pretty impressed so far. I mean, the really highlighter one, the yellow, is gonna take a couple of coats for it to actually stick, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the graphic liner side. That's gonna be this eye. So let's see. I'm gonna start with orange and I'm gonna start on my lash line. So what I'm gonna do, I would definitely not put this super close to your eye, by the way, but seems to be okay so far. What I'm gonna do is take it in a wing and then like what's it called? I guess like a wing shape, I guess, but like all the way around. So the 3 colors in one stack over here on the bottom and then the other stack on the top, if that makes sense. So let's see how that goes. So far, the orange is beautiful. Like, one little swipe you saw, I didn't add anything else. and it's good to go. Man, I don't know if I have a steady hand enough for this. And I really think that so far it looks like they look really good quality. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye because it's gonna take me a very, very long time. So I'm actually gonna take a bit of eyeshadow first on my crease. And I'm gonna take this orange shade from the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival XL Pro palette and just buff that all over my crease. I love orange, so I'm just gonna make this a completely orange tie-dye situation. I mean, I'm gonna use all the colors, but I think orange is gonna be like the focus. I've actually never used this color alone in the crease, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna do a really sharp cut crease. I'm just gonna blend out the outer edges. Now I'm just gonna cut my crease using some concealer and the Ebates base. And really quickly, I'm just gonna set that because I feel like the liners will do better on a dry surface. So I'm just taking like this bone color from the palette and just tapping that. All right, now I'm gonna take the white liner and just do a little strokes because that's how you get the tie-dye effect. I have to get up close to the mirror. I don't want the mirror to be in the frame, but like I have to like see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start like kind of over here and do little tiny strokes. And these don't have to be perfect at all, but I'm gonna go in a swirly motion. I'm gonna go around. Oh no, it's starting to get sticky. Wish I had a smaller brush for this. This is like actually the smallest brush I have. All the way up to the crease and coming out toward the outer corner. So what I used yesterday was a Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Drug Lord, and it was a lot harder to work with, but this is also kind of hard to work with because it's stickier. I don't know, there's never gonna be a perfect way to do this. But yeah, I did the exact same look that I'm doing now, just with different colors for my one eye Instagram picture yesterday, which when you're watching this will be like, you know, 4 days ago, but whatever. Then I'm gonna come down and go by my lash line. It is so sticky. I wonder if I add more water, but then it's gonna make it liquidy. I'm not sure what to do. Then I'm gonna bring it up again. And that's where the swirl is gonna end. And I'm just gonna add a couple of rows of white over here. So the tie-dye effect will continue, I guess. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna have to go back in, obviously, because it's gonna fade. And I'm probably gonna go lower than I actually have to go over here in the wing. Just in case, because I can always wipe it with a makeup wipe. Now I'm gonna take the orange and I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh my god, no, I don't want to get my dress dirty. I'm gonna do the same thing just with the orange, just very close. I wish I had a thinner brush. I don't. Repeating the same process with the pink. I definitely recommend to let it dry a little bit before you go in with that. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple. And now I'm gonna go in with the yellow. Okay, and then the green. Okay, now that all the colors are put down, I'm gonna go back in with every single color and just intensify everything and just make sure it actually looks like tie-dye, which right now I'm not sure it does. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean this edge and make it more sharp. To be honest, it's really hard to get the tie-dye effect. Like, I tried. So I do think that that's as good as it's gonna get in terms of the tie-dye effect. I am gonna do the white liner thing that I've seen a lot of people do with this look. They just outline the outside with white. I'm scared. Okay, I can't talk, so I'm sorry. I'm not sure about the whole tie-dye effect, but I tried. I think if I practice it more, it'll definitely look better. So I'm gonna quickly do my face makeup off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with the rest of my face, I'm just gonna take a bit of the orange shade that I took earlier in the crease and put that on my lower lash line. Being very careful not to look up too far because even though the liners are dry, you never know. Also gonna put the same shade over here because I just can't leave my lower lash line too bare. Like, I just can't. And so now I'm quickly gonna put lashes on off camera, and I will come back to put on a lip and tell you about the liners. I totally forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm gonna be taking some of Fair Play, which is this like yellow highlight shade from the palette. I would do a glitter, but I think it's just a little much with everything going on in the eye. All right, for lips, I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty. This is the Mattemoiselle, I can't read that, Plush Matte Lipstick. I feel like I'm going blind, or the lettering is so small. I don't know, but this is the shade, oh my gosh, Candy Venom. It's like this bright pink, and I think it matches this look so well. Look at that, that's perfect. So that is it for this look. My final thoughts on these liners. First of all, I don't think I really talked about this much, but I really do like this packaging. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but to be honest, when I use the Suva Beauty Hydra liners, I'm constantly having to take the top off, find the top again, and stuff like that. So I kind of like that this comes in like a stacker, so you can just like, I don't know, just have them all out and ready to go and laid out, and then you just like pop them. It's just a really nice, friendly packaging, I guess, and the colors are really nice. As you can see, these have not budged at all. This eye is still going strong. All the colors really seem to look really nice, and the formula seems to be really good so far. It's just really difficult to do this, honestly, just in general. So just imagine with a brand new product that you just have never used before. It does get a little sticky really quickly. It also dries down really quickly, but nothing seems to be cracking, not even the white. Everything looks really good. So I'm really happy with these. These are definitely approved by me. I'm absolutely in love with them, and definitely I think they're worth the money. I think three, you know, it's like $10 a piece. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you would attempt to recreate like a tie-dye look. I don't even know. This was a lot of fun to do, and I'm super excited that, I mean, it turned out better than my one that I did yesterday. It really did. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. I also hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review on the new ABH. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I just dunked my entire finger in the yellow. And one eye is gonna, I'm gonna do two different things on my eyes. Did I already wet it? Oh, I mixed it a little too much. Literally poured almost my entire jug of water on it. Wow. Okay, I'm not the graphic liner queen by any means, but I think this looks really interesting. What I'm gonna do is create little strokes. All right, I don't know.